Thank you, Arzu. In a shocking incident, a minor girl was allegedly murdered after being sexually assaulted in northeast Delhi. According to the police, a call regarding the sexual assault of the minor was received at about 8:41 p.m. on Saturday. Upon reaching the location, the police team found that a minor girl in an unconscious condition was present there. The girl's father took the victim to the JPC hospital, where the doctors declared her dead and a possible victim of sexual assault. Prima facie, the attending doctors at the hospital observed visible injuries on her face and alleged sexual assault. DCP Mishra has said, meanwhile, a case has been registered under sections 103 for murder, 68 punishment for causing death or resulting in a persistent vegetative state of the victim, as well as 13, which is enhanced punishment for repeat offenders of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, along with section 6, punishment for aggravated penetrative sexual assault of the POCSO Act. Meanwhile, NewsX has accessed the photo of the accused. He has been identified as Naushad. So this is a big development coming in the Delhi rape and murder case. My colleague Mehendi Garg is joining us live for more on this story. Mehendi, we have now accessed a photograph of the accused Naushad in the Delhi rape and murder of a minor girl. Please take us through the details.
Well, indeed, Malvika, right now we are on the ground and we are tracking the details and every single minute detail of this minor girl rape and murder case. And right now we have accessed the photograph of Naushad, who is the main suspect from whose house the suitcase was found, in which the dead body of the 9-year-old girl was found as well. And we are showing the visuals to the viewers as well. He is Naushad and he is the major suspect, and you can see the situation on the ground as well for all the viewers to have an understanding that how the people are still standing on the roads in such scorching heat asking for justice, though the police officials have stopped the road blocking, and they have put the barricading around the road so that the roads can commute and the commuters can commute easily. But still the people are waiting and standing on the sides of the roads asking for the justice, and they are saying that they will not go home until unless the justice is served. But right now the latest updates that we are understanding and that we are getting, that Naushad is the major suspect whose picture we have access to as well, and he just lives 4 hours away from the victim's house as well. And he used to live with his family, but as per the neighbors, as per the family members of the victim as well, that at that point of time, as in yesterday at around 8:30 p.m, he was alone in his house. His wife was also not there, his family members was also not there when he committed such a gruesome crime in his residence on the 2nd floor, as per the we can say neighbors. But right now the investigation is still underway and the police is still investigating this matter, and it is according to the sources we are understanding that there is a chance that right now the mother of the victim, the mother of the 9-year-old girl, has been taken to the police station for her statements as well. But still the people are on the ground. These are the neighbors and the family members of the 9-year-old minor girl who are still on the roads, and they are asking for justice, because indeed it is very disheartening to see that how in the year 2025 such cases still happens, and a 9-year-old girl, the minor girl, has been sexually assaulted, raped and then murdered. So right now the matter is still under investigation. 6 teams have been made, and not only Delhi but also the areas of Aligarh, Meerut are being under alert right now. The police are doing raids in that particular areas as well to find the main suspect and the main accused, who is who can be turned out to be Naushad as well, whose pictures we have access to, because from his house only the suitcase and the dead body of the girl was found. And as per the neighbors also, they are very confident that Naushad was the guy who raped and killed the 9-year-old girl. Yes, Malvika.
Well, thank you, Mehendi. That was Mehendi Garg live from the area where this